Guys, and what's up? I am going to be showing you around my pet's cage. His name is Iggy. He is a lizard and I just got him at school, so here we go. Here is his cage, and there he is. I'm going to go turn on the lights real quick so you guys can see him a little bit more. Which one's the light? Is this it? Oh, there we go, yeah. So here's his cage and all. Yeah, there's his cage. That's what I feed him. There's water in there. What is it called? It's something water. It's the lake water or whatever. I'm gonna move stuff so you guys can get a better view of him. He is a very, very, very cute little baby. Yes, he is my baby. That's what I call him anyways. Aw, he's a little camera shy. Iggy, come out of there, buddy. Can you see his head? Right there. I'll zoom in for you. Right there. He's so cool. This is his head. Oh, yeah. Beautiful Iggy. He is a lizard, as I have told you, so we have a whole bunch of leaves here. A stick back there that he has been up like a million times right there. Also got one back there. I don't think he knows about that one. But we got this big stick right here. He always goes up to here. Sorry, up to there. He always sits up there. I don't know why, but he does. He's a little camera shy. He's hiding from the camera. Oh, he's so cute. And we just have some wood chips and sticks and that kind of stuff. Yeah. Basically, I'm just going to put... Oh, there's his tail right there. See that? Yeah, there's his tail. There he is. There he is. Come on, baby. Come on, Iggy. Iggy, come on, buddy. I want to put a rock right there. Right on that big wood chip. Right there. And then I will have his cage set up. And if you guys are wondering, like, what kind of adaptations he has, if, like, a predator or something has caught him and he really needs to get away, they've caught him by his tail falls off. He's in a knoll, so you guys might be able to search that up and get one for yourself. You can get them at Earl May for, like, $16. I got mine from school. He's just adorable. And he really likes to sleep, as mine acts. My friend is subscribed, so he should be seeing this video. And it's just really cool how these guys work. They eat little crickets or like bugs that you can catch. Like, they'll eat a spider too, just not a worm. Like, get one of those little jumpy spiders, he'll eat it. Get like a ladybug, I think he'll eat it. Get like a half-dead moth or something, he'll eat it. Look at him, so sneaky. Is he gonna go up to the log? Come on, buddy. Come on, Iggy. No, it's okay. I might be showing you guys later what's going on. Now, I'm just using like one of those plain, simple animal catchers. I may be updating you on how he is. I will tell you when he dies. Look at his mouth closing up and down. He is so cute. He's so cute. I'm going to give you guys a better look at him. Where are you, Iggy? Here you are, bud. Come on, don't be camera shy, bud. Okay, let's see if we can get him. It's like right there. Come on, Iggy. Iggy, where did you go? Oh, there you are. There's a stick, so he's right over there. The camera. What's wrong with it? He's so cool. And would you just please to help me out? Drop a like or do anything to help out. I would really love that. Maybe even subscribe if you're that awesome. If you think you're awesome, press that subscribe button, press that like button, and leave a comment saying that you are awesome. Or just tell me if you guys ever get one. I have some friends that have subscribed to me. They have, one of them has 2 of them. This is really cool. I think you guys would love him. Love one of them if you're like an animal lover. By the way, peace out and love you all. Bye.